Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Mint Mobile Home Internet, also known as Minternet, and T-Mobile Home Internet. In this video, I'll walk you through a full overview of how each service works, the main features, the pricing differences, the pros and cons, and a balanced conclusion on which one is best. So let's get started. We start with the Mint Mobile Home Internet. Mint Mobile is known to many as an affordable prepaid cell phone carrier, and for years they've disrupted the phone service market with low-cost plans that run on major networks. Recently, they expanded into home internet, and they did it by leveraging the exact 5G network used by T-Mobile. So it's positioned as a budget-friendly, straightforward solution that is ideal for people who want reliable internet without surprise fees or big equipment bills. Now let's briefly talk about T-Mobile Home Internet. It's also wireless and 5G powered, but unlike Mint's approach, T-Mobile treats its home internet service more like a traditional broadband provider with monthly billing, multiple plan options, more advanced equipment, built-in perks, and price generation guarantees. So even though both services use the same nationwide 5G network, they're positioned towards slightly different audiences. So let's start by talking about the main features. For Mint Mobile Home Internet, it runs on T-Mobile's nationwide 5G network, unlimited data for everyday household usage. The typical download speeds can comfortably handle streaming, video calls, online lesson, and browsing. And there's free 5G gateway included, no extra equipment charges, no annual contracts. And there's also a 14-day money-back guarantee allowing you to test the service risk-free. One thing is that you need to understand that Mint follows the same philosophy as its phone plans. You pay upfront, so you typically prepay for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months at a time, and that helps keep the monthly cost low. How about T-Mobile Home Internet? T-Mobile offers a more traditional ISP style experience, even though the technology is still wireless 5G. The features include unlimited data with no hard data caps, multiple plan tiers depending on speed, perks, and equipment, free advanced gateway device, often with Wi-Fi 6 or newer technology, monthly billing with no prepaid commitment, optional perks on higher tier plans such as streaming services, and a price lock guarantee on certain plans, meaning that your rates won't increase for several years. T-Mobile also tends to offer promotions, discounts for existing mobile customers, and more customer support options compared to Mint. So what is the pricing of both like? We start with home maintenance. For the 5G home maintenance, it starts at $30 per month if you have a Mint phone plan. So if you don't have a Mint phone plan, you will pay $40 per month. That's if you're doing a 3-month offer, and which is an introductory offer, so it's quite cheap right now. You pay upfront for 3 months. And if you want to do 6 months, you pay $270 upfront for 6 months. And if you're doing 12 months, you pay $480 upfront for 12 months. But if you have a Mint phone plan, you save $10 and you pay $30 per month. And for T-Mobile Home Internet, it starts at $35 per month. So you do this at $35 per month with auto pay and any voice line, or you do $50 per month with auto pay without a voice line. What are the pros and cons associated with these? First, the pros. For Mint Mobile Home Internet is very affordable compared to most ISPs, and it uses the same 5G network as T-Mobile. The setup is simple with free equipment. And the pros of T-Mobile Home Internet? The monthly billing with no prepaid commitment is one benefit. It has strong nationwide 5G coverage and better equipment with higher end router features. How about the cons? For Mint Mobile, it requires prepaid multi-month payments in multiples of 3, 6, or 12. And there are fewer advanced features and perks. The speeds may slow down during heavy network congestion, and if you are a heavy user, large households, or power users, Minternet might be less ideal for you. And the cons of T-Mobile Home Internet? It's more expensive than Mint, and the performance can still vary by location. So which one is actually the better? The honest answer is it depends on your priorities. If your main goal is to save money and you're comfortable with prepaid plans, then Minternet is an excellent option for you. On the other hand, if you value flexibility, monthly billing, better equipment, and extra perks, then T-Mobile Home Internet is the stronger overall package. Neither option is perfect, but both are solid choices depending on what you value most. And that's it on the comparison of Mint Mobile Home Internet and T-Mobile Home Internet. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Verizon 5G Home Internet, fiber internet providers, and cable internet providers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.